Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix runtime error in Windows 10 and in Windows 11. So the first step is you have to type in here cmd and click on Run as Administrator. So this was the first step. Now you have to paste two commands which I will give you in the description. So don't worry. So I will copy the first command, which is sfc slash scan now, copy and paste in here and click enter. So it will take some time. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and also please press the bell icon. So now after performing the first step, we have to perform the second step, and after every command you have to restart your PC. So now this is the second command. So we'll copy and paste the command here. So click on enter. So this was the second step. As you can see, our deployment image sourcing and management tool is being working on my PC. So please wait. So like after all these steps, this error of runtime error in Windows 10 and Windows 11 will be solved. So thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.